it's me here, Concordia Dequitos. Today's video is about how am I excited and happy that I finally found my niche. Okay? Now, one of the problems in the smaller YouTubers are the niche. It's difficult to find a niche. Okay? So, in my case, I finally found it. This niche is all about the science tutorials. Now, many requested me to upload videos about the topics in science. And then, some also made comments on my videos, requesting me also about uploading science subjects, topics. Okay? So, now I finally answer their requests, and then I make use of this as my niche, and then it is not difficult for me because I am teaching science also, and then it is also my students also get the benefit of it because they can watch the videos, they will learn through the videos free. And then, it helped them to understand their lesson, especially that we are now in the modular situations. Okay? So, now, what are the topics under this niche science tutorials? One is biology. So 70% of my content in this niche is biology. Now, what's the coverage of this biology? Now, under biology, I will be uploading videos about genetics. Okay? So there are many topics under genetics. Which is very important to learn, exciting to learn. And then we have to know because everything happens in this, around us, in us, is discussed in this topic genetics. Why am I different from others? Why I am so very short? Why others are tall? In spite of we belong to the same parents. Okay? So, that is why it is important for us to know. Especially the blood types, the inheritance, inherited traits. Okay, so those are under genetics. So very exciting. Okay. Next is the ecosystem. Okay. Under the ecosystem, as we all know, everything around us, what we see in our environment is a part of the ecosystem. Under the ecosystem are the plants, the animals. There are many. So, we will tackle it one by one. Okay. And then, so next is the botany. Botany is part of biology. Okay. It is also a part of the ecosystem. And then, this discuss about the plants. So, my old videos, my previous videos is still under this niche because my videos are all plants related. And then next is zoology. Okay, so under this zoology, the behavior, the characteristics, and the life of the animals around us. Why animals also are very important. Okay. Okay, next is the difference also of these plants and animals. Next is the anatomy. Okay, now this is very important. We have to know what's in our body. Okay, so especially the human anatomy. Okay, now under human anatomy, there are 11 organ systems that we need to learn. So, I must upload these videos one by one, topic by topic, so that everybody will understand. I will try my best to explain well for my students also to learn, because my target audience are my students. Okay? Then next is, so in the anatomy, in the organ systems, everybody must know what are the parts of our organ system. What are these organ systems? How did this organ system function to each other for us to survive? Yan. So, ang very educational, very informative, and then students will learn. Okay, so I hope you also learn. Okay. Next is physiology. So the processes involved. And then, so the reproductive system also. How do we perpetuate, or how do animals reproduce? How do plants reproduce? Okay, so that is under reproductive system, or under biology pa rin. Next is the earth science. Okay, the earth science is the second one. So 10% of this topic is under earth science. So under this, I will be uploading about earthquakes, about typhoons, and about the solar system. So a few only of those topics. And then next to that is about the physics. Okay, so a little of physics also, and then a little of chemistry. Okay, so under chemistry, it could be a molecule, atom, elements, periodic table, and many more. Okay, so but actually my focus is about biology. Okay, so those are the coverage of my niche about the science tutorials, and I hope that you will learn from my uploads. And if you have some suggestions, please do not hesitate to put a comment or make comment. And then if you can also give some advice, please just make a comment on it. I will appreciate it. And then kung magustuhan niyo yung videos ko, mga upcoming video about the Earth's tutorial, about the science tutorials, please don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, so that is all, and bye-bye!